It's November 3rd, 2023. I'm in Deep Canyon, near the mouth of the actual canyon part. Um, I'm looking sort of to the east a bit, and there's Kelly down there for scale, and there's Deep Canyon Wash looking off to the north. Coming back to the outcrop in front of me, this is a pretty well-known location to look at folded metamorphic rocks. These are what they're called Z-shaped folds, like the letter Z. And if you can pick out a layer, a light-colored layer or a dark layer, and follow it around, you'll see more or less it mimics sort of a Z-shaped configuration. And that's due to the shearing direction. So the upper part of that outcrop, when this was down, 15, 20 kilometers depth, and it had both plastic and brittle behavior sort of going on, the upper part of the outcrop here was being sheared to the right, more or less. And then I'm going to sweep around. You can see there's a little kind of overturned syncline looking thing. That's a trough looking fold in there below the Z-shaped fold. And you can also see that some of the material in there, it thickens up so there's flowage going on. It's when this stuff was being folded, the layers weren't maintaining equal thickness. Some of them were flowing into these fold axes, and that's a common thing you see in when layered rocks get folded, especially at a more metamorphic scale, or when you've got really fine lamination bedding places. This is the rest of the outcrop here. Unfortunately, the sun is not on this yet, so I had to shoot it a little bit in the shade. Now, the age of folding, we kind of think this is like it's a guess, but it's laramide age, so it'd be 50, 60 million years, we think. Now, it could be something older, severe, which would be more in the 100 to 150 million years, maybe a little bit even older than that. We're in the western Cordillera, so there's a series of convergent events that this folding could be due to. The other thing you see here, it's not as obvious, at least with the layering, but there's a lot of very low angle horizontal fractures and shears cutting up this outcrop. And these are due to the extension that's superimposed on all this earlier convergent deformation. And we see that throughout here. There's a pretty good detachment at the base of this outcrop. And again, that would be due to extension in the last 30 million years. That's probably still going on today. So it's another good place to look at the geology. We're on the Boyd Deep Canyon reserve property that belongs to the University of California. It's actually closed to the public, so you need to come in with a field trip or some kind of educational group to get up to this area and walk it. But if you get a chance, it's certainly worth it.